What's up, everybody? Welcome back to PyroFab. Got another installation on the Durango. Last episode was an intake install. This one will be an exhaust system install from Borla. It's a catback, 2.5-inch pipe. Their S-type system fits 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, V6, V8, and with or without rear environmental controls. Total install time, if you're not rushing and you don't really want to set the world on fire, you can easily do it in 3 hours or less. Comes with some pretty detailed instructions, basic hand tools. The only tool that I'd recommend that's outside of basic would be the rubber hanger removing tool that just kind of squeezes the rubber hangers off of the post for the exhaust system. It does remove the factory suitcase and resonators and replaces them with an X pipe in the suitcase position and mufflers right out back. The kit can be ordered with black tips or the silver chrome tips, and it does come with some pretty detailed instructions on how to do this job. And all of the hardware is included for a total complete install. You don't have to run to the parts store to do anything. So here's a quick little how-to on how to do it, and what all was involved, and what it all looked like coming apart. I had some camera issues, so I'm kind of doing a video of it after the system's installed and what to expect. Welcome back to PyroFab. Another Durango episode. I got this really fancy hat. I had to spend a whole lot of money to get this really fancy hat. But on the plus side, I got to eliminate this big ugly thing out from underneath the truck. Dodge's infinite wisdom, only one of the mufflers comes apart off of the mid-pipe assembly. I don't know why they decided that. It would have been so nice if they just would have put a flange there too. But anyways, oh yeah, and I also got this really nice floor mat that came with my hat. I never realized how nice and comfortable it was to use a piece of cardboard on a gravel surface, but saved my back last night. I wanted to do a step-by-step how-to video, but I had some battery issues that didn't work out. So we're gonna have to use our imaginations. But as you can see, it's a Borla S-type for the 2020 Durango V6 and V8 models. It's a direct bolt-in, no modifications needed. Comes with all hardware, all clamps, everything that's required to do this. To get the old one out, I did make my life a little bit easier. Instead of just using the exhaust hanger tool, I actually just unbolted those two little clamps, or I'm sorry, those two little bolts on each side for that hanger, just to get the what they call the suitcase out of the way. And that just helped make life a little bit easier to drop this all down. I could have done this totally on the ground without jacking up the vehicle. It would have been a little tight at times, but I just put one jack under the corner, and it gave me more than enough room to service all of this. Alright, so Borla states that if you have rear environmental controls, which I don't know why they can't just say climate control and they got to get fancy about it, you'll see there's this heat shield that comes up, sits very close to the muffler in the one corner. You do have to put a dent in that, which it's very pliable. It's like heavy duty aluminum foil almost. You can just reach in there and pry it with your fingers to get the clearance that you need for the muffler so it doesn't rub or make any noise. But here's just a view from the back. And here's a view of this side. Heat shield clears without any issues. And the easiest way to do this is, of course, to start from the back. Start from the front, work your way to the back. Make it so that way your pipes right here are all connected together, and then all you have to do is just slide the X pipe in. I still have to work on fitment for how the tips are sitting. They're not exactly 100% square yet, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them that perfect. I'm not a perfectionist. But there we go. That's how that looks, and do the startup for it. Up, it totally mellows out and is not terrible at all. It's just got a nice little kind of a growl rumble to it.